Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix this error that you get while trying to create a bootable USB using Rufus tool. To get started, simply search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type in the command disk part and hit enter. Then type list disk. From here, determine your USB drive. If you aren't sure about the disk number of your USB, simply right click over the start menu icon and go to disk management. From here, you can easily see the disk number of your USB drive and accordingly type the next command, select disk followed by your disk number and hit enter. Then type clean and hit enter. Now type create partition primary and hit enter. Then type format fs equals to ntfs quick and hit enter. And that's it. Now exit from command prompt. Now you can easily create your bootable USB drive using Rufus tool, and this time you won't get any error. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.